Last month I made a video of how to change the backup camera in a Ford Taurus approximately year 2015. I ran into some trouble doing it, so I wanted to show you the issues I had, and perhaps you can give me some information when you go to do this next time. I'll add it into another video. As you can see over here at the bottom part, I'm not sure what that is that it's showing. It seems to be a reverse of this to here. Maybe it's a reflection. That my car is red, so that might be the bumper over here. But the rest of the picture, it looks pretty good up here. I have no complaint about that. While I was putting the camera back on, it comes with a clip, and I spent about an hour in the hot Florida sun trying to figure out how to get the clip back on to hold the camera. I finally gave up. I used electrical tape to hold the camera in place. I don't think it really works perfectly, and that might be the reason for the issue I'm having over here. I'm not sure. What I would do instead is use the screw that holds the clip on. I'd put it in halfway, use it as an anchor, and then use either nylon string or a piece of dental floss. Dental floss works for a long time. It doesn't break down. And if somebody does do this procedure, please do me a favor, and before you remove the clip, get a good picture of it, of how it's hold the camera in place, and send it to me. I hope my tips helped everybody trying to do this. It'll save you a lot of money, and if we work together, we'll get this perfect. I'm gonna leave it as it is until the tape eventually starts to fall off, and then I'll try the other method with the floss. I don't have the clip anymore, so I might have to get a new one, or it could have fallen into the trunk of my car. But either way, it saved a lot of money and time at the shop, and I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks, everybody.